Let me ask you something personal, and I want you to really think about it. How often do you wake up with morning wood these days? For many men over 50, it happens less and less. And at first, it might not seem like a big deal. But here's the truth. That fading signal is one of the earliest warnings that your circulation, testosterone, and even nerve sensitivity are slipping. Morning erections aren't just about intimacy. They're your body's daily check engine light. And if that light starts going dim, it's a sign your engine, your male vitality, needs attention. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us tools to turn that light back on. And tonight, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful powders you can take before bed that prepare your body for stronger blood flow, better hormone balance, and yes, harder erections in the morning. So stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the smartest way to use these powders so you see results instead of wasting your time. And before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching this from? Drop your location in the comments. I always love hearing how far this community of men supporting men stretches across the world. And while you're at it, hit like and subscribe. That way you won't miss future videos on natural men's health. Now, a lot of men think morning wood disappears simply because of age. It's normal, doc. I'm just getting older. But that's not the full story. Yes, age plays a role, but the real culprits are circulation, hormones, and nerve health, all of which can be nourished and restored. Think about it. Your body does its deepest repair work while you sleep. That's when testosterone peaks. That's when blood vessels regenerate. That's when your nervous system resets. So, if you give your body the right nutrients before bed, you're literally feeding the systems that control your erections while you sleep. And that's why powders are so powerful. And they're concentrated, easy to absorb, and they don't weigh you down like a heavy meal before bed. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Mira. I've been a practicing doctor for 7 years. And in that time, I've helped hundreds of men over 50 rebuild their energy, performance, and confidence using natural science-backed methods. And I want you to hear this clearly. You don't need to surrender to age. You don't need to accept weak mornings, low drive, or fading confidence as just the way it is. Your body is still capable of repair, still capable of strength, and still capable of passion. All right, let's get into the powders. Number 1, beetroot powder, the circulation powerhouse. Now, I have to start with the king of circulation, beetroot powder. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is the exact chemical signal that tells your arteries, open up, relax, let blood flow. And when those gates are wide open, blood can surge freely into your erectile tissue. No nitric oxide. The gates stay half shut, and the response is weak, soft, inconsistent. This is why nitric oxide is called the master key of male performance. Athletes have known this secret for years. Runners and cyclists often drink beet juice before races to boost stamina. The exact same circulation boost that helps an athlete run longer also helps you stay firm in the bedroom. But here's where it matters most. Poor circulation in the penis is often the first sign of poor circulation in the heart. So, by taking beetroot powder, you're not just protecting your erections, you're protecting your life. How to use it? Stir 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder into a glass of warm water, 30 to 45 minutes before bed. As you sleep, the nitrates quietly go to work. Your blood vessels relax, your circulation improves, and by morning, you're primed for a firmer response. Within weeks, many men notice stronger morning erections, better stamina, and even more energy during the day. Number 2, ashwagandha powder, the stress and testosterone balancer. Now let's talk hormones, because even if your blood flow is strong, high stress can sabotage you. That's where ashwagandha comes in. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and bring balance. And after 50, when stress hormones like cortisol clash with testosterone, balance is everything. Here's the biology. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, narrows blood vessels, keeps your body in fight or flight mode, and directly blocks testosterone production. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol while encouraging your body to make more testosterone. So, you end up with less stress and stronger hormones. That's the exact state your body needs for firmer erections, better energy, and deeper sleep. And don't forget, most testosterone is made during deep restorative sleep. If stress keeps you in shallow, restless sleep, your testosterone never fully restores. How to use it? Mix half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder into warm milk or water before bed. Add honey or cinnamon if you like. Within weeks, most men report less anxiety, more desire, firmer morning erections, steadier daytime energy. Ashwagandha doesn't just treat the symptoms, it corrects the deeper causes. Number 3. Maca root powder, the stamina and desire booster. Now for one of my favorites, maca root powder. Often called Peruvian ginseng, maca doesn't directly increase testosterone. Instead, it fine-tunes your entire energy and arousal system. Men who use maca often describe a big boost in desire, more stamina in bed and in daily life, orgasms that feel sharper, stronger, and closer to their younger years. And here's something most people don't know. Maca also supports prostate health. As we age, the prostate naturally enlarges, which can squeeze the urethra and mess with erections. Maca nourishes the pelvic tissues and circulation, helping counteract those changes. How to use it? Stir 1 teaspoon into a smoothie, warm water, or even sprinkle it over yogurt. It tastes slightly sweet and nutty, so it's easy to enjoy. Used consistently, maca can restore morning firmness, bring back excitement, and sharpen performance naturally. Bonus: turmeric plus black pepper, the inflammation fighter. And I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't mention one more. Turmeric with black pepper. Why? Because inflammation is a silent erection killer. It stiffens your arteries. It irritates your prostate. It drains your energy. Turmeric, thanks to its active compound, curcumin, fights that inflammation. And black pepper multiplies its absorption by 20 times. How to use it? Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in warm milk before bed. It's calming, soothing, and gives your body the chance to repair overnight. So, what's the smartest way to start? Pick one powder to begin with. Use it nightly for a few weeks. Be consistent because natural remedies need time. Track your mornings. Notice your energy. Pay attention to your confidence. Then, if you want, rotate or combine powders to support circulation, hormones, and stamina all at once. And listen, if you've been missing morning wood, it does not mean your best days are behind you. It simply means your body is asking for support. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s restore their vitality, not with drugs or gimmicks, but by giving their body the right tools to heal. So tonight, instead of a heavy snack or that extra drink, stir one of these natural powders into a warm glass before bed, give your body what it needs while you sleep, and let it reward you in the morning. If this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more natural men's health tips, and share it with a friend who could use the encouragement. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Small, smart choices add up to big wins. Your mornings can be strong again. Your confidence can return, and you deserve to wake up each day with energy, pride, and possibility. I'm Dr. Mira Blake, and I'll see you in the next